Welcome back. My name is Sachin, and in this video I'm going to tell you what exactly a transform is in Condense. Now before we begin exploring the transform section in Condense core, let us understand what exactly a transform is. A transform in Condense refers to a real-time processing component that applies business logic, enrichment or routing to streaming events within a pipeline. Now we have to understand that the transform operates inside a workspace and helps in processing messages as they flow between source connectors and sink connectors. Transforms also help in applying custom or pre-built processing logic to streaming data without leaving Condense. Transforms can also be used to implement domain-specific rules, validation, and enrichment directly in the event flow. Transforms also help in maintaining consistency by executing processing in the same environment as ingestion and delivery. Transforms also help in enabling both no-code and low-code based logic through pre-built utilities or custom applications. A point to note, transform in Condense can be used in different ways. It depends on whether we need rapid development of common logic, to build lightweight utilities, or fully customize the business rules. Now let us dive deeper. In Condense core, we have categorized transforms in two buckets, pre-built transform and a custom transform. Now let us understand what exactly a pre-built transform is. Pre-built transform is a kind of a transform that is ready to use, which is maintained by us and is optimized for low latency execution. One of the pre-built transform that is readily available which you can use is geofencing. You can use geofencing for location-based triggering events. Since this is a pre-built type transform, configuration can be done entirely in Condense code. There is no extra code to be written. The other type of transforms are utilities. Now let us understand what a utility is. Utilities are lightweight, no-code operators provided under pre-built category. This can be used for essential and recurring logics. Under this category, there are three types of utilities that's available: alerts, logger, and split. In the upcoming set of videos, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can use split, alert, and other kinds of utilities. Now, one thing to note is if you want to dig deeper and understand more about transforms, you can always check back the documentation. I have attached the link in the description. Now, let's jump into Condense core and see this in action. Once you are in Condense core, you can just navigate to the navbar, hover on pipelines, and access transforms. Once you have clicked on transforms, you can view all the transforms that's available right now which can be used. Just like in connectors, we have a filter section where you can filter out the kind of transform you want to use. Now when I select custom, it says that I don't have a category, so I can just hover and click on create custom button in order to create a new custom transform. I am not going to dive deeper in this right now. So let's move back to the transforms page. Now when I select one of the transforms, I get welcomed by this drawer where I can add all the additional details in order to deploy this particular transform. I'm going to do that in the next video, so stay tuned. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.